experiment. I'm going to set up a row of them. I've made 4 so far. So I've got the inlet going down, and the outlet there, probably about 70mm above the base, and I'll be making a couple more today. So that there, the Galaxy XP8, the empty container, will be turned into a wicking pot. So the idea is they sit in there like that. That's what it sits on. So I'm going to cover that with some mesh, put some mesh across here. So you cut that one on an angle, so when it goes into the bottom, it can't just sit flat. Take that part slowly. That's it. I know these cable ties are overkill, but that's all I've got in the shed. Now these grooves allow for the water to seep in and to rise by capillary action. Fill these with some rivets there. Now, place your wire in the top like that. Geothermal mesh, stop the saw from running through. There you go. Now where you've put the 2 PVC pipes, make a couple of cuts just in with them. throw some over there like that. Just in there. We're going to okay, like so. Pull it pretty tight. Stops it from just being able to come out easily. A little bit of not too much. Put the overflow plug in. Now I'm going to silicone that. Okay, but we'll cut him off to make him a bit neater. Part of the Mel's mix. 1 part vermiculite, 1 part compost, 1 part cocoa fibre. Nice and fluffy. And perfect for square garden. Almost 300, about 285 by 285, so that's almost a square foot. And that's it, no waste. And a bit of fun. Okay, so now I know that they're full. I'm going to soak the soil until it starts running out from the bottom, but I'm going to water it from the top to know that the whole soil's gone through, the whole soil is damp and moist. Gives the plants the best start. Done. Right. So, trying with an eggplant, capsicum, Roma tomato, bit of basil, another Roma tomato. I know some people might be going, why did you go for tomatoes in such a small space? Eggplant, capsicum should do okay, but got some pretty big feeders here. So I just wanted, as I said, it's an experiment. So if these don't work, so be it. I've learnt which you do from your mistakes. And what I'll do is, it's too easy because I can always put carrots in here. I can always put lettuce in here, rocket, radish. The fact is I've got 6 more squares to plant in, and for the bigger feeders like your tomatoes, if they don't work here, they'll go into one of these beds. So I can't lose, and plus you can never lose when you're having fun.